Hey guys, Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, how you doing? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look right here. It is super colorful. I'm used to neutrals, but I wanted to bring something colorful to my channel, so that's why I filmed this look for you guys. And it is featuring the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy palette. I have been dying to try this palette and I haven't had a chance to do it because I was moving and all this craziness, but I finally sat down and filmed a pink Barbie look for you guys. So I really hope you like it. Yeah, I'm not gonna ramble on, but if you guys want to learn how to get this look, please stay tuned. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's jump right on into this tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with my P. Louise base in the shade number 1 and prime my lids with this. I usually use shade number 2, but I'm going to do number 1 because I want these colors to really pop. I just picked this up on a MOTD Conceal Your Secret brush and just buff this into my lids. I'm also gonna go ahead and carve out my brows. This is a MAC 242S brush. The palette I'll be going in with is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy palette. This is beautiful and I've been dying to try this, so I'm excited to use it for the first time. The first shade I'm going to go in with is the shade Reezy. And the brush I'll be using is the Morphe M506. Just gonna pack this onto my lid. And with a clean brush, I'm just gonna buff out those edges. Now using a Vermona Precise shading brush, I'm gonna go in with the shade Barb and apply this to my inner corner. This gives it a nice pop. I'm actually gonna go in a little bit more with that base, that same rumor number 1, and apply that again in the inner corner and then go back in with that Barb shade to really intensify it. There. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and then I'll be right back. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Galactic Precise Eyeliner Marker. Gonna go in and make sure this is all blended and I have a seamless transition since we only used the 1 shade. Now using a makeup wipe, I'm just gonna clean up the edges. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my face and then we'll finish up the eyes. So for this look, I'm gonna be using traditional airbrush. I'm gonna use my Temp2 Core 7 serum to prep my skin. Turning my compressor on. Next, I'm going into the Versali Unicorn Essence to prime my skin. And I'm going to be spraying the primer through my airbrush as well. And now you can see my skin has a nice sheen to it. To conceal, I'll be going in with my NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. I just like to conceal these areas here and any blemishes that I have on my face, just right there, there, and that's it. And to set that concealer in place, I'm going in with RCMA Translucent Powder. And then I'm just going to quickly dust this off. The foundation I'll be going in with is Attempt to Perfect Canvas in the shade number 4, mixed with the SB Light Pearl highlighter for a nice sheen to my skin. Do about 10 to 12 drops of foundation. And about 6 drops of this. Now I'm going to turn my compressor on and back bubble to mix these two together. To contour, I'll be going in with the Temp 2 Matte Bronzer. To highlight, I'll be going in with my Temp 2 White Shimmer and Gold Shimmer. You guys see that glow? Like, look how pretty it is. It's my favorite highlight of all time. And for my blush, I'll be using the Temp 2 Dahlia blush. So the Dahlia blush is a little light, so I'm going to go in with a darker blush. I'll be going in with the Temp 2 Venetian Rose blush. Now I'm going to go in with my brows, and I'm airbrushing my brows on today to make it quick. This is the shade Ash Brown, and I'm just going to apply a couple of drops of this to my airbrush. Like to give them a nice brush. And we're done. I hope my brows are even. It's 3 a.m. over here. 3:30 actually. So I'm a little out of it. Anyway, next going back in with that translucent powder. I'm just gonna dust a little on my nose area to mattify my nose to prep it for a powder contour. You guys know the drill. I go in with my Hoola bronzer by Benefit and I just contour my nose. I would love to contour with airbrush, but my eyes are very sensitive, which means the minute I take the airbrush close to my eyes, it's going to backfire and make my eyes a teary hot mess. Now that the face is done, we're gonna go back into the eyes. And I'm using a Morphe M508 brush. I switched to a short shader E20 brush by Sigma Beauty because it's a little bit thicker. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Semsa and apply this to the outer corners only. And I'm just using that Morphe 506 to buff this out. Next, I'm going in with the ColourPop pencil in the shade Exit and going in to my waterline with this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and apply my Temp 2 Built to Lash mascara. For lashes, I'll be going in with the Lily Lashes in the style Miami Flare. Remember guys, I have a code with Lily Lashes. You can use my code ALAHA to save, I don't remember how much, but it's in the description box below. For my lips, I'm going with my ColourPop Cosmetics I Love Sarai Curvy Lip Pencil. And the liquid lipsticks I'll be going in with is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Celebrity Skin and Nude Beach from his summer collection. Well, a couple of summers ago. And to set my face in place, I'm going in with the Tatcha Satin Skin Mist, but I'm applying it through my airbrush. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I wanted to do something colorful, but I didn't want to go too crazy. Coming from the girl with pink eyelids right now, right? I'm really impressed with this Amrezy palette. I just want to let you guys know this is my first time playing in it and I absolutely love it. The colors are super pigmented. I played around with the blue a little bit too. I didn't wear it today, but I did play around with it. Super pigmented. I swatched the whole palette. Amazing. So definitely check it out if you haven't already. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed another airbrush look. I didn't want to do the full face in airbrush because I wanted to bring something different from my last video, so I decided to do just half of it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're not following me already, please go ahead and follow me on all my other social media outlets. I have Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. All of that is at Makeup by Alaha. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for staying until the very end. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.